is a story of a worm. His name was Itty Bitty, was living in the inner city. Here's the nitty gritty. Bought 10 baby cats, made a kitty committee. Then he did a little dance, a little giddy jiggy, all night long, getting pretty busy. Then he wrote a little song, a nitty bitty ditty, and it goes like this: is a story of a worm.
This is my story.
Story of a worm.
And you better
Crawling.
listen.
Story of a worm.
What do you think? Did they go?
Yeah.
Yeah, that was
How
the hell
Can I
no.
put that in my program?
No.
Look at that.
No. No. It's extra credit. That was definitely how you guys were today with me. That was it. I can do it. Exactly.